everyone, and welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. We have talked about Ori, your destiny, and Ashe, your divine power. Today, we are discussing the most important ingredient for making this concept work for you. It is called Iwapele. This means good character. In Yoruba spirituality, good character is not just about being a good person. It is the very foundation of all spiritual growth. We will explore why Iwapele is so crucial. We will also learn how to practice it every day. So what is Iwapele? The phrase Iwapele means gentle character or good character. It is more than just being polite. It's a very way of life. It includes many qualities, such as patience, being able to wait and not get angry, the humility, not thinking you are better than others, honesty, being truthful in all things, respect, treating everyone with dignity, kindness, acting with love and compassion towards others. In Yoruba belief, your character is what you truly are. It is the first thing people see. It is also what the divine sees. It is the clothes that your Ori wears. A good character allows your destiny to shine. So why Iwapele is a spiritual practice? Think of it this way. Imagine your spiritual self is like a clear glass of water, your divine power. Your Ashe flows through this water. When you are honest and kind, the water stays clear. Ashe can flow through it easily. Your thoughts and prayers are powerful. Your life is in harmony. When you are rude, selfish, or dishonest, it's like putting dirt into the water. The water becomes cloudy. Ashe cannot flow as well. Your spiritual connection weakens. Your life can become unbalanced and difficult. So, living with Iwapele is not just about being nice. It is a spiritual practice. It is an active way to keep your spiritual glass clean. It is a way to ensure your own power, your Ashe, is strong and pure. So how to cultivate Iwapele every day? Listen more, talk less. Instead of just waiting to speak, truly listen to others. Show them you respect their thoughts and feelings. Be honest with yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you are not. Accept your own faults and work on them with humility. Show respect to everyone. Greet people with kindness, no matter who they are. Be polite to everyone, from a child to an elder. Then practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. This helps you remove jealousy and greed, which are negative forces. Give and serve. Help others without expecting anything in return. This can be as simple as holding a door open for someone or volunteering your time. These small actions add up. They build your character. They strengthen your connection to your Ori and your Ashe. The Yoruba says, Ìwà l'Ashe, which means character is power. Your character determines the power of your words and your prayers. In Yoruba belief, your good character is your true wealth. It is also valuable than money or fame. It is what allows you to live a life in harmony with the divine. It is the key that unlocks your destiny. So, as you go through your day, ask yourself, am I acting with Iwapele? Am I being patient, humble, and kind? By focusing on your character, you are not just improving your life, you are living a deeply spiritual life. You are building the foundation for true happiness and purpose. Thank you for joining me today. Please like this video, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Until next time, remember, your character is your destiny. Thank you and bye for now.